Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine coming in from the cool air and being greeted by the comforting aroma of a simmering pot of soup. That warmth, that hearty satisfaction, is what a perfect bowl of split pea soup delivers every time. Throughout history, this dish has served as a staple. It's a thrifty and deeply nourishing meal enjoyed across cultures. It's simple food, yes, but its flavor depth is anything but. This classic recipe transforms humble dried peas and often a piece of smoked ham into something truly extraordinary. You don't need specialized equipment or complex skills to make it right. This guide will show you how to achieve the best, creamiest split pea soup at home easily, moving beyond just good to genuinely exceptional. Essential ingredients for the best split pea soup. A remarkable bowl of this soup starts with straightforward, quality ingredients. Each component plays a specific role, contributing to the ultimate texture and savory flavor. We'll look at the foundational components first, ensuring your base is rock solid. Choosing your peas, green versus yellow split peas. Split peas are simply dried peas that have been husked and divided, allowing them to cook faster and break down more completely than whole peas. Green split peas. These are the standard choice for the classic North American version of this dish. They offer a slightly sweeter, earthier flavor and maintain their vibrant color through cooking. Yellow split peas. These are milder in flavor and are often used in Indian or Middle Eastern preparations like dal. They produce a richer yellow color in the finished soup. For the traditional, hearty split pea soup you likely crave, choose the green variety. Unlike many dried beans, split peas do not require soaking before cooking. Their split status means they cook down quickly once simmered, helping you achieve that naturally thick texture with less effort. Building the foundation, smoked meat or vegetarian flavor. The cornerstone of traditional split pea soup flavor is the savory, smoky depth provided by cured pork. Traditional flavor. Smoked ham hocks, the joint attached to the hog's ankle, are the gold standard. They provide both rich flavor and collagen for body. Bacon, salt pork, or even a meaty ham bone also work well. The goal is to introduce a deep, salty, smoked element that permeates the peas as they cook. Vegetarian alternatives. Achieving deep savoriness without meat is possible. Try sautéing a generous amount of mushrooms with the aromatic vegetables. To replace the smokiness, incorporate a teaspoon of smoked paprika or a dash of liquid smoke. Always use a high-quality, flavorful vegetable broth instead of just water to ensure maximum depth. The aromatic trio, onions, carrots and celery. Almost every great soup starts with a blend of aromatic vegetables. This simple trio, often called mirepoix, sets the stage for flavor before the peas even hit the pot. Onions. Provide sweetness and savory backbone. Carrots. Add color and subtle sweetness. Celery. Contributes an essential salty, earthy background note. To ensure these vegetables cook evenly and release their flavor quickly, take time to dice them into small, consistent pieces. Sautéing them gently in a little oil or the rendered fat from the ham hock before adding the peas awakens their flavor profile. Don't skip this initial step, it makes a huge difference. Cooking secrets: how to get that rich and creamy split pea soup texture. The distinguishing factor of outstanding split pea soup is its texture. It shouldn't be watery or overly chunky, it should be velvety and thick, almost like a puree. This luxurious consistency is fully achieved without needing any added cream or milk. The simmering game: water, time, and temperature. Patience is the cook's most important tool here. Split peas require a slow, steady cooking pace to completely disintegrate and release their starches. Water ratio. A general guideline is about 6 to 8 cups of water or broth for every pound of dried split peas, or around 3 cups of liquid per cup of peas. You need enough liquid for the peas to swell and soften thoroughly. Low and slow. Bring the soup to a boil briefly, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low, gentle simmer. Never boil the soup vigorously for an extended time. A hard boil can agitate the peas, leading to uneven cooking and scorching the bottom of the pot. Time. Allow the soup to simmer, uncovered or partially covered, for 60 to 90 minutes. The peas are done when they have completely broken down and the soup has thickened substantially. Skimming. Early in the simmer, you may notice some foam or impurities rising to the surface, especially if using a ham hock. Use a slotted spoon to remove this foam. Your soup base is ready and perfectly seasoned, setting the stage for the creamy finish. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.